Here we have 2 pages from the Corps of Engineers design manual for the slope stability calculations associated with levees, T-walls, gates, and I-walls. The first portion of the table presents the analysis condition and the required minimum factors of safety for each of the various conditions. I've highlighted or underlined the areas relevant to T-wall design. The criteria that we check for T-wall design when running a Spencer's analysis is the still water condition, the condition for water at the top of the wall, and the condition for low water level, both during a hurricane and without a hurricane. With the method of planes is used as a check against the Spencer's method and to benchmark for the older design procedures that were used historically. And for the method of planes, the only 3 conditions that we check for a T-wall design are the still water level, the top of wall, and the low water level hurricane condition. There's a few more details, and you can look at the individual pages in your downloaded version of the manual. But for the still water condition, we assume that the strengths that we're going to use for clays are going to be the Q strengths, or the undrained strengths, and the strengths used for the granular materials are going to be the drain strengths. The still water level is established by a hydraulic engineer and given to the geotechnical engineer for the design. The top of wall is self-explanatory. That's for flood water at the top of the wall. And the low water level condition during a hurricane is also given by a hydraulic engineer to the geotechnical engineer. As I mentioned earlier, the method of planes is only used as a design check for the Spencer's method, and in the case of the non-hurricane condition, the method of planes is not used at all for that particular criteria.